Jai Srimannarayana. 15th sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mam upetya punarjanma dukkhalayam asasvatam napnuvanti mahatmanaha samsiddhim paramam gataha. Om. You should become great soul. You should become noble soul. That happens only when your mind is focused on Sri Krishna Paramatma. That happens only your heart is for only Krishna Paramatma in bhakti. That happens only when you constantly meditate upon Sri Krishna Paramatma. When you do all this, you will attain highest perfection, which is Sri Krishna Paramatma alone. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall focus my mind on you. I shall keep you in my heart with all my devotion and love. O Krishna, I shall meditate upon you constantly, continuously and always. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu 10th skandham, Dasama skandham, 64th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, in Nanda Vrajam, all the Gopikas, Gopalas coming to Nanda Yasoda's house because they are blessed with a son. When they are all coming like that, all the Gopikas, their ornaments, which were decorated to their ears, ornaments which were decorated to their necks, all the ornaments which were decorated to their hands, making big sound and glowing like anything. Chitrambaraha pathisikha chitamalya varshaha nandalayam savalaya vrajatihi virejuhu. They are wearing beautiful, colorful garments. And when they were coming to Nanda Yashoda's house, all of the flowers they had in their hair are falling down. Altogether, that scene is such a beautiful scene. Now all the Gopikas came to Nanda Yashoda's house and took the baby boy, and giving taha asishaha prayunjanaha, giving their blessings to the baby boy, and also giving blessing like this: "Oh my dear child, may you become the king of this entire Vrajam." All the Gopikas looking at Krishna. ఏగి చూచిరివొగిన్ జిష్ణుని విష్ణుని చిన్ని కృష్ణునిన్ చూచి సంతసించి తెచ్చిన కానుకలిచ్చి పాపనికిన్ నూనెన్ తలయంటి పసుపు పూసి బోరు కాడించి హరిరక్ష పొమ్ము అంచున్. Gopikas looking at Balakrishna, and they put some oil on his head, and also they pasted some turmeric powder. They gave bath to the child, and they are all blessing the child like, "May Sakshat Sri Hari protect you." Like that, they all sprinkled some water around that baby child, and then put Krishna in the cradle and gave blessings while singing songs. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 15th sloka. Mamupetya punarjanma दुःखालयमशाश्वतं नाप्नुवन्ति महात्मानः संसिद्धिं परमां गताः. मामुपेत्य पुनर्जन्म दुःखालयमशाश्वतं नाप्नुवन्ति महात्मानः संसिद्धिं परमां गताः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.